welcome back to Collier Kids. If you're new here, I'm Joshua.
I'm Zira. Today you won't believe something amazing happened.
So a bird flew on our roof and it wasn't looking where it's going. So it banged in our roof and it fell down in the concrete.
We thought it was dead, but it's still blinking. And my dad is there with a tissue trying to wipe off some dirt, like bad stuff, because it was kind of raining today. So there was some water stuff in the roof, and he's wiping it off. We hope the bird's okay. We'll show you.
Sarah's gonna hold the bird and let's see if the bird flies away or not. Let's see. Oh,
Looks
that
cute.
bird looks precious.
So technically, I think another bird actually pooped on its wing. That's how it wasn't able to, fly. So since my dad has cleaned it, we're gonna let it go.
See that little cutie eyes.
Aww. I'm glad it's alive.
Yeah, I'm very glad it's alive. Now let's see. Sarah's gonna hold it. Hope she's success. Yes, Sarah, success. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's ready to fly.
I think it's ready to fly. Oh, it's stand upping.
Yeah, it's standard.
Come on, fly. Jeez.
Maybe we need to give it time. We'll wait for a while.
Well, I think we have to throw it. That's how people do it.
No, I am not throwing it.
So my dad's gonna get it back. Let's see if my dad can. Let's see if my dad can throw it or not throw it.
Okay, that was failed.
Okay, let's see. Get some water, Sarah.
Water.
Yeah. Look at that cutie. Oh!
Stand up, it's
Stand up!
Oh, there is some problem with his leg.
Oh no.
Look at this.
Fly away!
Poland. We're gonna show Poland.
Colvin.
Owen, look.
Look at the bird. Poland was crying because we didn't let him go near the bird because it had like water and stuff on it. So yeah,
See my baby
You
brother
like it?
trying to smile.
he was
Maybe
crying
so.
because we didn't let him go out.
So look at something wrong with the
Feet.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we have to like keep it sometime.
No, we should probably like call somebody.
get some water.
Yeah, get some water.
Like
I think this one is going to die. I don't know. Because it can't
Oh! It's stand up in.
it's standing. It's trying so hard.
And it is obviously raining.
What kind of water? Hot or cold?
It's spitting.
Hot or cold?
Oh, baby! Oh.
It can't hold. See.
Oh, poor. I think we should call somebody. Hey, we should call somebody.
Get some water, Sarah. I think that will help.
Okay, Mama, hand it.
This is so cute! Meeting a little bird. His cutie eyes. Aww. His feet is gone. I think it's about to die. It can't stand up.
It's like the other leg's standing up. But, yeah. Oh,
Pole.
Poland.
ഞെക്കല്ലേ
Oh, jeez!
Yes.
Tata.
You'll have to remember to wash it.
Pole.
Oh,
Wow.
I think we have to. Throw it. That's how like other people does it.
But it's not really windy. I actually think it's like
Yeah, let's don't throw it because it's feet.
it's a leg. It's like something happened with the leg.
Is getting ready. ഇച്ചിരി വെള്ളം കൊടുക്കണം തോന്നുന്നു.
It looks like a male one to me.
It's like a female. To me.
I think.
Yes, it is a female.
പോരെ, വിട്ടേക്ക്.
I think since we care
I wanna
about
feed it water.
I think that
I wanna
bird's
feed it water.
thinking I'm gonna live with them. And it might come every day to us.
Maybe. Come on.
Ah.
Wait.
That's what I said. Little. Don't feed too much. No. I think it's fine. Okay?
Yeah, let it
let's
go.
Let it go.
Let it go. I will leave it in the.
Yeah.
Something wrong with his leg.
Yeah. Make sure it doesn't eat our fish, but we have a net. Paul's trying to scare it away. I'll show you close. Oh, it's running. See that? So we're gonna leave it. Yeah, let it fly.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.